The GoPro? The Insta360 or the Exprotrek? Perhaps the DJI Osmo or the REMALI? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 action cameras available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best action cameras. The 5th product on this list is the Exprotrek 4K. Capturing still images is beautiful because it can take us back through moments, but capturing actions makes it possible to relive experiences in our minds through the pictures. Firstly, this product works well for taking photos of all outdoor adventures on land and underwater, producing sharp and high-quality images. Even when you take pictures with telephoto lenses that have a long focal length, the electronic image stabilization feature constantly changes the position of the object to ensure that the image comes out sharp. Moreover, being a waterproof device down to 120 feet, it can capture every moment beautifully, whether you're out in a storm or swimming beneath the waves. Also, the built-in Wi-Fi function made it easy to connect with smart devices wirelessly. What's more, it can take photos up to 60 frames per second. Plus, since this action camera supports up to 128GB microSD card, you can have enough space for your pictures and videos. Apart from the 2-inch touchscreen display, this product also comes with a wireless wrist control that makes it easy to take pictures and record videos, even from a distance, and 2 rechargeable batteries that eliminate your worries about getting shut down while recording videos. Aside from its Wi-Fi connectivity, the other connection options are USB 2.0 and HDMI. This device is a great option when you want to take pictures on the go. Its pros are: the underwater housing makes it durable and waterproof down to 120 feet, the touchscreen and included remote control make it easy to use, and it supports Wi-Fi for Android and iOS devices. However, its cons are: the app could be better and the batteries don't last long. The Exprotrek 4K is recommended for water sports enthusiasts who want to conveniently capture every moment of their outdoor activities. Up next in 4th place is the REMALI CapturePro 4K. If you have used the REMALI CaptureCam action camera before, you will be happy to know that this CapturePro 4K is an upgrade you can rely on. It can capture 20 megapixel stills and record in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Additionally, since it comes with 3 rechargeable batteries, you can record for about 90 minutes on the battery. You'll like that the CapturePro 4K offers different picture modes, including time-lapse, timer, wide, linear, long exposition, and narrow lenses. Also, each picture is shot in JPEG by default. However, you can shoot in RAW format if you want more details captured. What's most impressive about this action camera are the various control options. The 2-inch touchscreen, wrist remote control, and mobile app makes controlling this camera easier than you can imagine. And using the Wi-Fi connection, you can connect it to your mobile device and transfer the videos and pictures smoothly. Like most action cameras for underwater activities, this product comes with an IPX8 waterproof casing that enables it to withstand water down to 120 feet. Moreover, while some action cameras haven't improved their distortion calibration function, CapturePro has improved theirs. Now you can take quality photos and videos without having the fisheye effect. Lastly, you can take videos in slow motion with 8x zoom and view from 3 angles. It's an ideal product for those that want to experiment with different photography and film features. Its pros are: it comes with 3 batteries, so you have plenty of runtime, you can capture both fast and slow motion videos with it, and the Bluetooth remote control makes it easy to control the camera from a distance. However, its auto stabilization isn't that great during tracking shots. The REMALI CapturePro 4K is suitable for vloggers or travel adventurers who need an action camera with balanced contrast and decent content results. Still haven't found an action camera that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the DJI Osmo Action. This next action camera is highly functional in capturing pictures and videos of decent quality. The DJI Osmo Action allows you to shoot videos at a 145-degree angle and even capture epic moves with its 8x slow motion setting that can capture at a resolution of 1080 pixels at a frame rate of 240 frames per second. You will notice that it is not limited to only ultra-wide view like some of its counterparts, but features narrow-angle view settings, which removes lens distortion to make your videos crisp and clear. If you're thinking about a product with which you can capture yourself in any setting, the DJI Osmo Action is ideal because it has two screens located at the front and back, which makes it possible to achieve crystal clear, hyper-responsive content and frame yourself in any setting. Additionally, it doesn't only feature an electromagnetic image stabilizer, but it also adds some complex algorithms to ensure that every shot captured and video recorded is stable and shake-free, no matter the activity. As expected, it has a tight seal and hydrophobic coating, making it waterproof and temperature resistant. Even the battery can withstand environments with temperatures as low as 50 degrees. For adventure vloggers, there's really no better option than this. Its pros are, it comes with all the accessories you need to mount it. The DJI app is easy to use and compatible with Android and iOS devices, and it is both waterproof and temperature resistant. However, it is only waterproof down to 33 feet. The DJI Osmo Action is ideal for travel enthusiasts and vloggers who want an action camera that can withstand low temperature environments. The second product on this list is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This action camera remains one of the most popular on the market because of its impressive functionality and enhanced features. The first thing you'll notice is that it can capture up to 5K resolution video and maintain a high-quality detail, even when you zoom in. Also, because it has a 23.6 megapixel sensor, every image you capture has optimal quality. Like most action cameras discussed so far, this product is waterproof and weather-resistant, so it can be used pretty much anywhere. What's more, it features a super photo function that automatically selects the best image processing so that you can easily get the right shot. Although the image default mode on this action camera is JPEG, RAW mode enables you to get enough details in each shot for editing. This mode is available for single and multi-shot sequence, time-lapse, and burst photos. You will also like that this action camera can intelligently recognize your smile and blinks, and the app will use these details to select your best videos and photos. Other impressive features on the GoPro Hero 9 include hyper-smooth video stabilization, horizontal leveling, time warp, scheduled or duration capture, and live burst image capture. The GoPro app may just be the highlight for this product because you can do a lot with it, including live streaming directly to your social media and saving the streamed footage to your microSD card. You can also showcase your location, altitude, and speed on your final image by adding data overlays to your video. So, if you're looking for a reliable action camera that can do it all, this is the way to go. Its pros are: the inbuilt mounting design eliminates the need to carry a mounting frame around, it uses voice commands and understands over 10 languages, and it's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. However, the touchscreen is sometimes unresponsive. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is ideal for outdoor or water sports enthusiasts who want an action camera with enhanced features for different functions. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top kitchen fan is the Insta360 ONE X2. This device is the ultimate solution needed to capture all 360-degree angles of your adventures and underwater experiences. Every feature on this product takes it from a mere action camera to a creativity-enabling device worth investing in. Firstly, it has an outstanding design, which looks more like a mobile device than a camera. Next, you'll be impressed with how well it shoots from different angles, allowing you to select the best angle possible every time. The video recording also has 5.7K resolution, so you'll be able to see every detail during playback. Moreover, all images remain steady even without a gimbal while shooting, thanks to the flow state stabilization feature and horizon leveling algorithms. Furthermore, you know how your selfie sticks tend to find themselves in your pictures? Well, this product comes with its own invisible selfie stick, which is designed so that every time you take a shot, it will disappear in your edit. What's more, being a waterproof device, you can use it for your underwater activity down to 33 feet, making it ideal for surfing, and every video or photo taken will be stored in the included 64GB microSD card. Overall, this sleek device is one of the most comprehensive action cameras on the market today, and certainly the easiest to use. Its pros are: it has handy artificial intelligence-enabled editing modes, You can use it to live stream directly to your social media. It records on 5.7K for outstandingly beautiful looking shots, and it has a 360-degree lens for multiple view options. However, it connects only with the latest mobile devices. The Insta360 ONE X2 is a high-quality and very user-friendly device recommended for extreme sports vloggers who want to capture all angles of their videos and photos to get the best shots possible. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.